Today we got our Worm Factory 360 right there. We're gonna use it to produce our European night crawlers. We have our instructions here and all our supplies and materials. We're gonna start off by half our cocoa cure. Get it in the bowl. This is 2 cups of water. We're gonna add about half of it, so 1 cup. And we're gonna crumble it all up. Alright, now that the cocoa cure is done, we're gonna start adding up all the other things.
So we're gonna add half a bag of pumice, a tablespoon of rock dust, and half a bag of shredded paper. Now, a tablespoon of rock dust, and now half a bag of the shredded paper.
Alright, now that we're done with the mixture and we have our everything done and set up, we're gonna go on to making the worm farm. So we're gonna get the worm ladder, get the worms facing the front. This is so that the worms, if they ever fall out, they can climb back up. Then we're gonna get the tray, put it just like that so that all the worms can sit. Then we're gonna get our paper, set it on the bottom, get our mixture, set our mixture on top of everything. Make a nice even layer. Next we get our natural soil that we got from the yard, place it on top. This is about 2 cups. Lay it on top. Finally, we get our damp newspaper that we soaked in water, add it on top, and then we're gonna get the lid, add it. We're gonna set it inside anywhere from 40 to 80 degrees for optimum worm production. Now that everything's set up, you guys saw how easy it was to do everything, set everything up. Now we're just gonna wait a couple days for our worms to get here.
If you want to see all the latest updates of our worm factory, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching.